this entire music video was created completely with AI. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did. By the end, you will be able to create your own AI music video using your own image and music. Without wasting time, let's get right into it.
New beginnings like flowing streams.
For this tutorial, we're going to use Freebeat AI. So this platform actually turns your music, your ideas to a viral video in just a single click. The link to Freebeat AI is going to be in the description of this video. Once you click on the link in the description, it's going to bring you to this interface. Once you are here, all you need to do is to come here and click on upload files. It's going to give you an option to sign up with Freebeat AI. So you can continue with any of these sign up options. And once you sign up, this interface is going to open up to you. We have options you can choose for based on what we want to create. Now, if it's going to be a music video, we have to click here. It's just going to be a music cover or a video to music. Freebeat offers an option where you can put a link of your already uploaded song either on Spotify, on any streaming platform, either TikTok, Suno AI, whatever it is, platform that you have your music. You can link it up here and it's going to create a music video from your already existing music on your streaming platform. For this tutorial, we're not going to use any link. We are going to upload a music file. So I want to come to music video here. Under the music video, I have different options. This talks about the style that fits your music. For the singing style, your music is going to be lip synced with a virtual artist, mainly the image that you're going to provide. Just sing the vocals without any drama or any B-roll, any visual, any storytelling. And for the storytelling, it does not show your character singing the song with a lip sync. It only tells story based on the storyline of your music. And this last part is automatic. The AI listens to the music and decide whether it's going for the singing or the storytelling. So for this tutorial, I'm going to go for the singing option. You can explore the rest. They are all amazing styles. Once I click on the singing style, this is going to be open up to us. There are three major things we have to put in here to get our music video perfectly done. The first is going to be the prompt. The second is going to be the character, the image of the character, and the third is going to be the music you want to create a music video for. For the prompt, we need to describe the environment and the action of your character. I made a video here where I described how to create a perfect prompt for an AI music video. You can click on it here or check the description and watch it after this video. So right here, I'm going to add those three things, and the first thing I'm going to add is a character. I'm going to click on this character. Here, I'm able to add only 2 characters. If you're going to use your image for this, make sure you have 2 of your images because that's what is going to be used for this music video. You can use any of these characters if you don't have a character. You can choose from any of these guys right here. But here I have a character already on my computer, so I'm just going to click on this upload to upload my character. I have 2 images here. I'm going to click on this, the first one. I'm going to open it. Wait for a few seconds. That's going to be added. Then click on this, upload, and I want to add this other character. Added. So I want to come here and click on confirm. The images of our character has been added successfully. So the next thing we need to do is to add our music. So I have my music right on my computer. And if you want to know how I created the music, I used Suno AI. Suno AI is an AI platform that allows you to create AI generated music. Probably I'm going to make a video about that. So if you're not subscribed to this channel, it's the best time to do that right now. I'm going to come right here, add music. This is the music, new beginning. I'm going to put it there. So it's going to bring this up to confirm if I've selected the correct music. I'm going to play this to be sure.
The sun creeps up.
Okay, you have to be very careful here because the duration that is preset here is 15 seconds. So you have to increase it. The full music without that, I'm going to go for right here. So I'm going to come here and say confirm. And right here I have my character. You can see that it's highlighted, and here I have my music also highlighted. Now I need to add my prompt. And for the prompt, I already have a prepared prompt for this project. And I want to put the prompt right here. So I'm going to keep this prompt in the description of the video. You might not have to use this directly, but this might give you an insight, and you might just tweak this for your perfect style. So I haven't done all of this. I'm going to come here. I'm going to select the orientation of the video. Here, if I want to do landscape, perfect for YouTube long form videos. There are different orientation based on the size you want. But for this video, I want a 16:9 video. So I want to click on this. Now select different resolution, 720p, 1080p. So I'm going to select 1080p, right, to have a clearer resolution. So here you can select different styles. So I'm just going to say photorealistic. That choose anime, 2D modern animation, cyberpunk, whatever you want. This the vibe and the style you want the music to follow, right? So I want to select this. And note that I already have that the style specifically stated in my prompt, right? I'm going to come here and say, do I want to add caption? If yes, what type of caption do I want to add to this video? I can play it here, so it's going to display, and if you're going to preview the kind of lyrics you want. And here you can select the fonts you want, you can select the effect. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to say no lyrics, because I don't want lyrics. So here you can actually come here and remove watermark, because I don't want the watermark to be in my video. So I'm going to remove the watermark. And if you don't have an enhanced prompt like mine, you can come here, just put your prompt, come here and enhance with AI. Scroll down here, you're going to see this auto might automatically turn on by this. When you enable auto, the agent is going to complete all the steps automatically, right? When you turn it off, you'll be able to confirm either a clip is what you want or you want to work more. But if you click on auto, it's going to be done automatically and you won't have control over each of the clips until the end result. So I want to turn that off because I want full control on it. And here you can select the visibility of this video. Either you want FreeBeat AI to make it public. If you want to make it private, you can just come here and select private. But once you are done with this, you are going to come here and click on create, and you can see it's let your creativity shine. You're going to ask for your consent on this. Either you want to share it publicly or you want to keep it private. So I'm going to say keep it private and create. And as you can see, the AI agent starts creating my video. So because this is not automatic, right, I chose to actually verify each of those steps. So it says step 1, first refresh the current page. Step 2, if the agent still does not resume after refreshing, type continue and send it to the agent. So here you can type or you can just click on continue, and you can see music video is being created. If the agent meant your attention, it's going to ask for your attention before it goes live. So I'm going to come here and scroll and confirm everything he has done so far. You can see that there are different segments based on my music. I just check through it and see if everything is right. Everything is right and I planned. I'm just going to come here and say continue. So now we can see it's actually running different scenes. So it's running the scenes and it's generating different images of different scenes. You can see that right now. So you can see right here it has 14 images generated, and right now it has generated 0 out of 14. So we're gonna wait for it to generate all the images. Now look at it here, it has generated 14 scenes from the images we did earlier. And I'm going to examine all of those prompts and check if there is anything I need to change. So they all look nice, and I'm going to just leave it like this for this video. It might hallucinate sometimes and do something that you don't want to do. So all you need to do is click on any of the visuals and edit the prompt until it gives you the perfect one. Then you can actually move on. I haven't done this. Check through, then you click on continue. Now you can see that our videos are completely generated. So we're just going to look at each of those scenes, and once we confirm them, we can actually make progress. Then I want to say continue. Then it's going to move on to the next stage. Now here it's piecing everything together, and it says your music video is almost ready. And as you can see, our video is completely generated, and you can see we got the message, congratulations, your music video has been generated successfully. If you want to generate another video, please create a new chat. And here we have a new video right here. So we're just going to play it and let's see what we have.
The sun creeps up, paints the sky in gold. Yesterday's shadows fade, the story's old. Barefoot on the grass, the morning dew. A world reborn, and I'm walking through. New horizons calling my name. Every step forward, never the same. The winds are shifting, carrying dreams. New beginnings like flowing streams.
And that's it. You just created your AI music video.
like this video if it's helpful, subscribe to this channel. On this channel, I make videos on how to create things with AI. So turn on your notification for this channel to see videos when I drop these amazing videos. See you in the next one.